Road freight is the fastest growing CO2 emitter. The current system hinders sustainability. Approximately 25% of road freight vehicles are empty on their return journey due to lack of connectivity and knowledge. This can be prevented with the help of Shunya. Shunya is a load sharing app that links wholesaler, vendor, the truck driver and the end user on a single platform. The software will optimize and assign the space for the load in a vehicle, leaving for its corresponding destination at the earliest. The application has plazas at intervals of 200 km on highways as drop-off points for certain goods and driver recreation purposes. These goods can be picked up and dropped by another driver who has the same destination, thus connecting places outside major urban developments. CO2 emissions can be reduced with an onboard CO2 capture and storage unit. The diesel engine emits 117.2 kg of CO2 for 50 liters of diesel. The CO2 is captured, compressed, liquefied and stored in a storage tank. Collected CO2 can be taken to the Shunya Plaza on the highway to be converted into electricity by NaCO2 cells. This powers the plaza and the electric charging stations. Sodium metal is placed in an organic electrolyte while cathode in an aqueous solution. The two liquids are separated by a sodium superionic conductor membrane. When carbon dioxide is pumped into the aqueous electrolyte, it reacts with the cathode, turning the solution more acidic, which then generates electricity and releases hydrogen. With spontaneous CO2 dissolutions and kinetically fast hydrogen reactions, high currents are produced. Unlike conventional CO2 batteries where solid products are clogged, this continuously produces hydrogen. Excess hydrogen that is produced by NaCO2 cells can be used to refuel hydrogen-fueled vehicles. Shunya will also employ extra long trailers and connect two or more trailers to one single truck. This is better than truck platooning as it decreases emission by the truck for the other trailer and decreases drag by 6%. For metropolitan cities where passenger travel is also high, we can introduce BRUX. BRUX, as it states, is a combination of bus and a truck. This will help in transportation of goods and passengers. The convertible seats will be integrated into the walls of the trucks. Tickets for the BRUX service will also be available on the app. The aerodynamics play a huge role when it comes to trucks and long trailers. Trucks consume about 40% of the fuel just to overcome air resistance. This drag can be decreased by 8% by just adding a cab roof fairings. Replacing side mirrors with cameras reduce drag by another 5%. Carbon emission can also be reduced by adopting better packaging techniques. One option would be to set an overall target for packaging shared out among producers. This can be achieved by using materials that are reusable, returnable and recyclable. This will give producers great flexibility in how they achieve their targets and may spur innovation. Biodiesel is a renewable biodegradable alternative fuel made from a mix of modified vegetable oils and diesel fuel, which is said to reduce carbon emission by 60%. Trucks using biodiesel will be allowed to refuel 5 times a week, whereas trucks using diesel will only be allowed to refuel twice a week. This will promote drivers to use biodiesel. Trucks using biodiesel will be given tax exemption at toll roads. The consumers opting for biofuel vehicles will be given an additional discount initially, which will promote users to go for biofuel transportation trucks. The unexpected occurrence of COVID-19 had put a halt on freight transport for some time, but the app is equipped with solutions for such future catastrophes. Lockdown in certain areas can be tackled by issuing e-passes for truck drivers to ensure safe and swift traveling. Companies and drivers can acquire an e-pass by providing information such as destination and type of goods or products to be transported. E-pass will be issued based on priority. Health services and food items will be given special priority over other goods. The transporters or companies must provide information of the driver along with the proof of safety check for COVID-19. Shunya application interface will have authentication, encryption and message integrity verification to ensure that data cannot be read or forged by malicious parties. The app will relay their data to storage and processing servers with the help of industry-leading encryption. Over-the-air updates will be digitally signed to verify that updates come from a trusted source and will use independent third-party experts to validate the platform end-to-end. We at DJ Smiles strongly believe in the potential that Shunya carries. With further research and expansion, this concept can be transformed into a product of the future. Thank you.